Hello kids, today we are going to learn all about the letter A. What is the sound of A? Ah. Can you say it with us? Ah. Can we say it together one more time? Ah. Ah. Ah is the sound of the alphabet A.
Next, we're going to learn some amazing words that starts with the letter A. Letter A for apple. Yum yum! Apples are crunchy and sweet. Letter A for ant. Ants are tiny, but they are super strong. Letter A for axe. Letter A for alligator. Alligators have big teeth. Can you chomp like an alligator? Letter A for airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky. Can you spread your arms and fly like an airplane? Wow, we learned so many A words today. Next, let's match the following.
Hello kids, today we're doing a game called Match the Following. So we're going to look at the names, they will match it to the image. Alright now, what is the first name? A for?
Airplane.
Let's trace the airplane. Good job. Now the second one, A for?
Acorn.
Let's trace the acorn. Good job. Are you getting it?
Yes.
You can always tell your mom to print it out for you. This is the third one. A for?
Ant.
Let's trace it. Good job. The fourth one. A for?
Apple.
Apple. Let's trace the apple. Now, the last one. A for?
Axe.
Let's trace it. Good job, kids. We did it together. Amazing.
Yay.
So you can play this over and over again and learn this. Good job.
Now let's learn how to write the letter A.
Hello, kids. Right now we are going to be doing tracing the alphabet. It's time for you to learn how to write the letter A, uppercase A. So let's go. Long line down, long line down, line across, letter A. Let's go again. Long line down, line across, letter, line across. Come on. Good job. Letter A. Long line down, long line down, line across, letter A. Long line down, long line down, line across, letter A. Long line down. Good. Long line down, line across, letter A. You're doing so well. Let's go again. Long line down, long line down, line across, letter A. Let's go again. Long line down, long line down, line across. Good job. A. Long line down, long line down, line across, letter A. Long line down, long line down, line across, letter A. Now we're in the last section. Make sure you're practicing with us. Long line down, long line down, line across, letter A. Long line down, long line down, line across. Letter A. This is the last one. Long line down. Let's do it slowly. Long line down, line across. Letter A. Good job, kids. You did awesome.
Keep practicing by playing this video over and over again, and you'll be an A writing superstar. Now, let's spell the name of this channel together. Boboberry. Say it with me. Boboberry. See you next time. Stay happy. Bye-bye.
Hello and welcome to Boboberry, a place you come to